This is the most important level you can mark out on your charts, and it's the reason I'm funded 7 figures across multiple prop firms. So when you have a trend in either direction, you always want to spot the last break of structure, which we have here. That gives you a zone from this high to this low, simply your last trading range. As price approaches this zone or taps into this zone and continues higher, this level here is so important. This is what you're expecting price to sweep, and then you want to get in to enter your trade. So we can see here we had a high and we candle closed above it. That gave us a zone from this high to this low. Now, as we came out of this zone, we pretty much almost touched it and then continued higher. So this tap here is the most important level. As price sweeps this is where I'm going to enter my trade. I'm going to put my stop loss just slightly below this area of demand here and target higher prices. As you can see, as soon as we sweep this key level mentioned, we get a beautiful rip to the upside. If you recognize the right liquidity sweep, it's going to be an A+ setup. If you're taking random ones, it's going to be a terrible setup. You don't need to learn 10 different trading strategies. This is the only one I use and it prints money daily. Let me explain it to you. First thing as always is look for the trend. You can see we have a low, high, lower low. This gives us a break of structure from this low and where we candle closed below it. So now we can draw a zone from here to here. That means according to structure, all we are expecting is a lower high, lower low. But we need to look out for 2 things before this. We need some form of liquidity within here that price can sweep. And if we look within this zone, this is really the only area of liquidity we have. So we can only enter a trade once this here gets swept. Now price has swept this liquidity. I'm going to look for shorts, but I need confirmation. So if I'm expecting price to go lower now, I want to see a shift of structure to the downside. That will happen if we close below this low here. Beautiful. After our liquidity sweep, we get a shift of structure. This is where I'm going to enter the trade, put my stop loss above this high and target a lower low. And this is literally the model I use every single day. And if you want it broken down and sent to you step by step from every time frame, every entry criteria, everything, just comment the word check and I'll send you my free trading checklist.